Alrighty. I have been making, well, not making, I've been modifying this avatar I bought online. It's called a Dragon. It's freaking awesome. I love it. But people with Quest viewers, or sorry, with Quest VR, can't see this avatar. There is a Quest version, but I'm actually wanting a fallback version because I'm not wanting to use a Quest version because I like my PC version. The Quest version has no hoodie and no pants, and I want my hoodie and my pants, so I'm trying to make a fallback. So what I have been doing is I've been removing all the faces. If you have a look, I'll take the hoodie off. It looks horrible underneath, but I'm not going to take the hoodie off. This is my shorts and my hoodie off. See, I've been taking. I'll just hide the the bones. See, this is. I need to remove more of the faces, but see, I'm removing the mesh underneath to reduce my faces because VR chat Quest, what do you call it? Qualifications or whatever are really strict, and you can only have certain amount of bones, certain amount of faces, so many textures. So also, what I've been having trouble with is I've had to install a mod called Cats Mod, and on all the tutorials that I've seen, they have this window here. Like, there's a big window here. I don't know. I didn't know how the fuck to get the window up. I had to message the creator of the mod, which on Discord, which actually got back to me straight away, which was awesome. That's so cool. Thank you so much for your help. But yeah, all I had to do was see this little arrow here. Oh, it's not doing it. Push that. See? And then all your mods that you install, well, the cats mod is here. See, cats. And if you want to get rid of it again, push N. Or push that little, like, I've been Googling for fucking hours trying to find, I don't even know what this window's called. Because when I look at tutorials, they always have this open already. It's already open. But yeah, N. And also too, if this is gone, push that. Or T. See? Oh my god! I can't believe it's so easy. So yeah, what I wanted to do with the cats mod is just fix avatar. So you push fix avatar. Apparently it's fixing it. Yeah. So I'm fixed now apparently. Let me look at the mesh. Body. Oops. Okay. Why can't I select the body now? Oh yeah, I can. Oop. Oh, it's put it. It's put it all as one. Wow, it's put it all as one model. That's fucking awesome. Sorry, I'm just wow. This is so cool. Wow, it's all one model now. This is really cool. Wow, I'm just amazed. Okay, yeah, but yeah, that's how you get your whatever this window is to find cats mod. But I've also got MMD. I guess that's an MMD model, like a dance or something. I'm such a noob at Blender. I can't. Wow, this is. I had like so many different models. Like I had the hoodie, the pants, and the body. Now they're all one. That's so cool. I might undo that because there's a lot more mesh I want to delete. Or did it delete it? Let me have a look. There's one on the back I saw. Okay. No. It's hard to go like into your body. Like this. I like to see if there's anything. Okay, it looks like it's deleted everything underneath the mesh. Wow. Now I'm just gonna have to retexture it. I have to learn how to texture this. But thank you so much, the creator. Let me hang on. Oops. Don't want to look at that. Shataria. Is it Shataria? Shataria. Thank you so much. You are freaking amazing. Kudos and huggies and all that, and this is so cool. It's all one model. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna leave that now. I just wanted to show you guys how to find the cats mod because in the older versions there's like tabs down here. I did not have tabs down here. This is 2021 to look what year it was. Yeah, this I'm using 2.93.5 that's currently in use by VR chat, because this is a VR chat avatar. Yeah, just that. How easy. N. And then down here, cats. I love it. I love it. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I'm just blown away. Wow, that's so cool. Alrighty. I'm well on my way to making my fallback avatar now. Alright, I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, blah 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 blah. Yeah. Oh, just wow, that's so cool.